little side quest. We got Marcus and that one. Yeah, we just out here about to get some content for y'all, but well, they are. I'm not doing shit this time around, but all right. So yeah, they're about to run. Bro, this dude's M3 is crazy. I've never seen this thing in person, only like Instagram videos, but that thing's hella clean. Thing's got a top mount turbo in it. Mexico. Got Marcus's car, the M3. This thing's actually crazy. They got a run. That'll be posted on Instagram. I didn't run them, but I just kind of tagged along for Marcus. But this thing pulling today, man. Big Aunt Mickey. Big top mount turbo. Dang, Marcus, this dude's better put me back in the BMW.
Man, for something like this. Y'all need to go get a BMW, man. And I used to hate BMWs. That's what's crazy. I used to fucking hate them.
Yeah, I used to rip on them a lot.
I used to be a muscle car guy, whatever.
These grew me like crazy, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh their reaction, man. You know what I'm saying? Mustang boys, what y'all think, man?
I love it.
What you give it out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, man. What you think?
No, I give it 10, dude. This thing
They
boogies.
both want to go buy one right now.
10 out of 10. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's easy to drive, chill,
Yep.
and it's under the radar too. Like I'm literally running fucking BBS with it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I like about it. It's like, it's sleeper. It's sleeper. PBS is sir. I like it.
Super hot. But you see the difference with the anti-lag?
Yeah.
When you do it, it's like that, it's like a slingshot.
All right. Just got back. They dipped out. Just me and Marcus. I was taking a thumbnail. Dude, not gonna lie, man. Yo, that kind of makes me want to get in a BMW again. Dude, that thing is crazy. The only thing, like what we were saying, the price difference is it's costly going to obviously the BMW compared to this setup, because like this is like roughly 50K with the car included. The 50K don't even buy you the BMW. But no, I'm happy with this setup, but them BMWs, man, I got a sweet spot for them. The interior on them is obviously, you know, I love the interior on the BMWs, which is a nice interior as well, don't get me wrong, but BMW just does it right. And they look really good. I mean, he had a pretty low-key setup. Like, you would never tell. But with this, you know, the rear tire is kind of a giveaway, and the dumped exhaust, but how'd it go, Marcus?
It's good. The first one was crazy.
Hell yeah.
It was actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
I can't wait to see it, because I couldn't tell really from the back. It was hard to tell.
It was crazy.
Yeah, Marx's GT350 putting in work against these M3s, man. But yeah, I'll have to link the video of their run in the description as well. I think they're posting on Instagram first and then the YouTube. So, and then maybe, I think tonight, me and Marcus are gonna get our run in, at least on this setup, until he, you know, turns it up, and then I might be kind of cooked. But I'm hoping tonight, praying that whoever wins, me or him, I really hope it's a close run, like within a car, because those are obviously like the best runs to see on YouTube when, you know, the car, it's not a complete blowout and it's a super close race. Like even at the track at 2K, when they're like 0.1 away from each other, everyone would start going crazy. So hopefully it's a close run. But we'll see if we got enough for his car. I convinced him to get another Mustang. He was actually surprised at how much like I have into this car, like, you know, price of the car, mods of the car, for how much power I'm making. So who knows, he might pop out in a Mustang. But that M3 is crazy. It sounded really good too. But yeah, we are now on our way home. Should low-key got a run in too, but maybe they might rerun it again when, you know, Marcus upgrades his fuel system and he's able to push a little more power. Because he said he had another map to flash on, so he could actually turn it up. Beautiful Saturday today. Nice and sunny. It says 73, but I don't know, it feels a little warmer. Maybe because I have a hoodie on still. It was a little cold this morning. To get on it. is so noticeable. Like, there are not many cars, not many GT350s in this color with a carbon hood. I don't think like any, honestly. I feel like every time someone sees this car, like they just know automatically it's Marcus, which is kind of what I want to do to this car. I want to make it like more of my car. I feel like once I get some front runners, maybe do like a carbon panel like the trunk, it'll be a lot more recognizable. This car looks a lot different from when he first bought it. I don't know if y'all saw, but it had like, canards. What else? Obviously like a yellow hood, and it had a black stripe going all the way across the car. And I think now, like obviously he removed them, and he did. I think he wrapped the roof black. So it looks a lot different from when he first owned it. It looks a lot better too. Those canards and shit were not really the move. Those weren't bad. I did not like the black stripe. I think the black on the yellow paint, I wasn't a big fan of. Yeah, it's too hot to keep these windows open or closed. Yeah, shit, it's my day off today, so I think low-key, well, I'm gonna have to do his car now. I wasn't planning on working today, but this was a pretty big video, so I'm gonna hop on the PC. I'm gonna get his car nailed done for him, so that way he's able to post that content tonight. I think the rest of the day I might go downtown or something, go chill, get some good food, and then tonight head out to Mexico. I'm just praying our run, I'm praying, man, our run goes good. I hope it's close as shit. And I know we're both gonna ring it out all the way. Like a lot of the races, like especially during 2K, I was letting out at like, once I hit 5th gear, I'd let out. I know damn well he's gonna do this, but I'm also gonna stretch it all the way out to the top of 6th. Pray it's a good run. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys all enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like. But yeah, with that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.